Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly. Today I'm going to be doing a little Goodwill mystery bag haul. It's just one, so it shouldn't take that long. In that haul, I also got this little bucket here. Very Halloween-y. So I'm going to be putting my stuff, this, in the bucket because Brooklyn will eat it if I don't. So somebody mentioned, and I'm not going to mention her name because I didn't quite ask if I could yet, but she put it in her comments that I should rename my channel What's Under My Blanket, because I have a blanket and I put my stuff under the blanket while I'm unboxing it, because if I don't, Brooklyn will eat the packaging and the stuff. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I change my name to What's Under the Blanket? I don't know. I kind of think it's kind of cool. Kelly's Unboxing Addiction is kind of cool too, but it's just so common, what's under the blanket. I think that is pretty neat. So, I don't know. My daughter thinks that I should rename my channel The Sofa Queen. The problem with that is, if you say Sofa King a whole bunch of times fast, it's not a very good word. So if you say Sofa Queen, it still might come out the bad word. So I'm not sure if I want to name my channel that, just out of respect for everyone else. But here's Brooklyn wondering, Mommy, what are you doing? Hi. So what's under the blanket? I'm really considering. I did ask for permission if I could use it, even though it was her idea. And if I do change my channel name to that, I will definitely give her credit. I will state her name and give her credit on my channel. So let me know what you guys think. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and start to see what's under my blanket. See, I'm already saying it. It just fits. Brooklyn. So I got this bag. It's a Christmassy bag. And I believe I did buy this around Christmas time, actually. After Christmas, but not too far after Christmas. So this was $5.88, which is a bit more than I usually pay for my mystery boxes, but let's see what I got. Very excited. All right, so let me put it under my blanket and we'll get started. I'm gonna pull one thing out at a time. So I got these. It says Cheers, Jingle, Love. I really, they're just, they're ornaments. Duh. Okay. I'm like thinking, I really don't know what to do with these, but yeah, this is Christmas time. And these are ornaments. All right. Now that I have that clear, those are cute. All right. Happy with those. Okay, next mystery thing. We got ourselves a pencil with Christmas trees. If you guys see glitter on my face, it's because I tried to do glitter on my eyes today. And I don't know why, when I watch other YouTubers putting on, sparkles in their eyes, on their eyelids, I don't know, when I see it fall and it's on their cheeks, they'll come back and their whole face will be clear of glitter except their eyes. I'm sorry, I can't do that. It just sticks on my face. I do have glitter glue that I put on my eyes though, but it's also sticking to my face. So I don't know. I'm trying to open this so I can get a better look at it. And the reason I'm talking about glitter is because as I'm doing this, it looks like I have glitter falling from this, which is, I really don't want glitter all over my furniture. Yeah, there's definitely some glitter going on here. Ah! You see the glitter falling? Oh my gosh. I don't know if it's falling from this or the bag. Like if there was glitter on the bag from something else inside the bag that's under my blanket. but I am getting glitter bombed here. But here is the pencil, little Christmas trees. Now, I collect special pens, you know, bizarre pens, but this can go in my collection. Just need to get it sharpened. So that is cute. All right, what else is under my blanket, Brooklyn? It looks like another ornament. It's kind of big. It says blessed, and this does have glitter on it, so there is something in that bag. And I'm gonna have to figure out how to get all this glitter off my couch because my husband won't be too pleased. I don't think. All right, let's see what else I got. This looks like a little notepad with a little pen over here. So, should I open it? Let's see if there's an easy way to, yeah, there's an easy way to open it down here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, see what it looks like. If it's just, yeah, they're not sticky notes or anything. It's just a pad of paper. So with a little, whoop, see, I drop a pen. Oh, and Brooklyn didn't chase it. I can't believe it. But here's the little pen right here. So I hope I'm putting you guys all in the holiday spirit by showing you all of this in April. No, it is May 2nd, I believe. May 2nd. Okay, so this is from, is this really from Scentsy? Is that there? Let me see. Let me put my glasses on because I can't tell. I think it is. This looks like it's a Scentsy box. Yes, it is Scentsy. So what exactly is this? Looks like it might be one of their light bulbs. I'm always ordering these light bulbs from my Scentsy girl. Yeah, it's just a Scentsy light bulb. There's no Scentsy in that bag. I know there's not because they're big. So I got a Scentsy light bulb, which is fine because I'm always calling her for these. All right, what else did I get? Okay, holiday time says the retail price of this was $2 at one time. It is just, I think it's a pin. Yes, it's a pin that you would like wear on your blouse or something. Little angel with a heart, carrying a heart. Next, what else? What else? I think we found our glitter. Let's see, this one says Joy, Noel, Hope. So more Christmas ornaments. Pretty good, cute. What else? What else? Oh, see, this is all the glitter, you guys. More Christmas ornaments. It says believe, peace, and hope. Believe, peace, and hope. Okay. This is another pin, and it says, I love presents. Originally $2. I'm not sure from where, but there that is. What else did we get? We got a little snowman ornament. Does not look like this is broken. I did get another, I don't know if you probably didn't see me unbox it. I don't think I got too many views on that video, but I did an unboxing of another Goodwill haul, and I got some broken ornaments in that one. Not all of them were broken, but some of them were. So I'm glad that this is all in one piece. So very cute. What else? Okay, here is a nice little pen. I'm very curious to see if this works. Very, very curious. It looks to be, well, I don't know if it's a normal size, if it's refillable or not. I'd have to check. But all right, let's just see. I'm loosening it. All right. Let's see what happens. I'm scribbling, and nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. No. Still nothing. Nothing. Oh, well, I mean, it's a pretty pen. I'll see if it is refillable. I don't know, but there it is. Very cute. All right, what else did we get in this little bundle here? Another snowman. Not broken. Is it the same one? Did I get the same one twice? Let's see. This sure does. Looks like I got the same exact snowman twice. Well, they're going to have to go on different sides of the tree then. So no one will know. Okay, I think I'm getting down to the bottom here of what's under my blanket. This is another little pin that says Jingle Bells, and it's got the little bells on it. Then let's see. That's it. And then I've got the bag empty.
How much was the bag?
This whole bag was $5.88 for all of this Christmas stuff.
I was asking how much was the bag.
Oh, yeah, I don't know. It doesn't have a price on the bag.
It does have the price on the bag.
Yeah, but I bought it and it had all that stuff in it. I didn't pay $5.88 for the plastic bag. Anyway, everyone, thank you so much for watching. And if you can, please leave a comment down below. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate that as well. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.